Good morning. The second day in Warsaw. As yesterday I arrived and just warm up to explore some place in the city center and get sober from the jet lag. Today is very cold, colder than yesterday, but it's not so bad. Today I will explore the true meaning of this city. The first place of today is the one of the most architectural Paris. The most beautiful architectural Paris in Poland is the Wilanów Palace. It was built by the King John III. It's about 9 kilometers from the city center. The best way to get there is to get the bus from some bus stop nearby the hotel. Now I'm walking there. Let's start for today. I rode the bus number 116 from Warsaw Street for about 40 minutes to Łazienki bus stop, and then continue to walk about 800 meters to the entrance of Wilanów Palace. Wilanów Palace is one of the most beautiful royal palaces in Poland. It was built in the late 1600th century as the summer home of King John III Sobieski, a famous Polish king and military hero. Unlike many buildings in Warsaw, this palace survived wars and destruction almost untouched. Because of that, Wilanów Palace is often called a symbol of Poland's royal past, elegant and long history. Basically, it is a royal house that aged very well. Inside the palace, the rooms are full of art, paintings, and royal furniture that from different centuries. You can see grand halls, private rooms, and detailed decorations that show how kings and queens live their daily life. There are portraits of royal family members, fancy clocks that probably never ran on time, and beautiful ceilings that will make your neck hurt from looking up so long. Today, the palace works as a museum, sharing the stories of Polish history, art, and royal lifestyle in a calm and impressive setting. I spent about an hour inside the Wilanów Palace. The first floor has the ancient stuff since the King John III and the Queen living here. And the second floor is the art gallery with the painting and sculpture. So now it is 11 o'clock. I plan to go back to the city center to visit the second place of the day, Łazienki Palace and Łazienki Park. I will get there by bus on the same way I get out from the city center this morning. Okay, don't waste the time. Let's go. From Wilanów Palace, I catch the bus line 116 to stop at Spacerowa bus station. From this bus stop, I just walk few minutes to the Łazienki Park. This park is just next to the bus stop. And from this park, I can see in the Google map, it can walk through this park to the Łazienki Palace. I think I will walk around the park before and visit the palace later. Łazienki Park is the largest and most beautiful park in Warsaw. It was created in the 1700th century as the royal garden for King Stanislav August. The park is famous for its peaceful lakes, wide green space, and elegant buildings. including the palace on the water. Today, it feels like a quiet escape from the busy city, where people come to relax, walk, and enjoy nature. It is also a wonderful place for photography, with beautiful views in every direction. From Łazienki Park, I walked to the palace on the Aire. The park's most famous landmark, it was built in the 1700 centuries as a summer residence for King Stanislav August, surrounded by water. The palace feels calm and elegant. Inside, you will find paintings, classic furniture, and detailed rooms that show royal life in a quiet and refined way. So I just finished visiting inside the Łazienki Palace. It's just only small palace. I spent only 15 minutes inside and then I just walk out. The next destination is the very center of the Warsaw. I plan to visit the Warsaw Old Town, which is the World Heritage Site. But before that, now it's past noon already. I think I will have something for lunch first and then we'll take the bus or some public transport to there. From Łazienki Park, I rode the bus number 108 and connect with the bus number 503 and get off at past Samkowi bus stop and then walk about 5 minutes to Warsaw Old Town Square. I just disembarked the bus and now I'm at the Warsaw Old Town. Many one said that if you visit Warsaw but if you don't visit the Old Town, that means you never get here. This one is one of the World Heritage Sites of Poland. So I will find something to eat for lunch and then we will see how much beautiful it is. Let's go. Warsaw Old Town Square is the historic heart of the city. It was rebuilt after World War II and now looks just like it did hundreds of years ago. Nearby is the Royal Castle, once home to Polish kings. Inside and outside, it shows power and history. Today, the square is lively with colorful buildings, cafes, and people, making it one of the most charming places to visit in Warsaw. Inside the Warsaw Royal Castle, you step into the world of Polish kings and leaders. For centuries, the castle was the center of power and important decisions. During World War II, it was badly destroyed, but later rebuilt by the people of Poland. Inside, you can see grand rooms, old furniture, paintings, and beautiful decorations. Each room shows how kings live and work. Walking through the castle feels like travel back in time, surrounded by history, pride, and careful details. Okay, I just came out from the Royal Castle. It has a lot of art objects inside. I spent almost 2 hours, but I think I still cannot see everything. If you are the art lover, this is the heaven for you. Anyway, before sunset, I think I will visit the last place of today. I think I can walk there, the Church of Holy Cross. The Church of the Holy Cross is one of the most important churches in Warsaw. It was built in the 1600 centuries and has been many events in Polish history. During World War II, the church was badly damaged and later rebuilt. Outside, it stands proudly of a busy street. Inside, the church feels calm and meaningful. One special thing here is the heart of the famous composer Chopin, kept inside a pillar, making this place very important to Polish culture. Okay, I just spent 10 minutes to visit the Holy Cross Church and admire the beautiful Catholic architecture. Then I think now is almost sunset I think I will go back to the hotel to have a dinner and take a rest and prepare for everything for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to take the long travel, the relative travel from Warsaw to the another World Heritage City in the down south of Poland. The name is Kraków. Today I think we can explore the heart of Warsaw and see most of the iconic place. Tomorrow it's gonna be the different day, because many one said that Kraków is not destroyed during the World War II, not like Warsaw, and everything in the city is still in perfect form. But I still don't believe until I see with my eyes. So we will see together tomorrow. See you.